Okay, first off, we're gonna knit the 2 stitches together. Put the needle into the second stitch. It go right through both loops at the same time. Make sure you have yarn in the back of behind the needle. So we're gonna wrap the yarn just like you knit as usual, except 2 stitches at once. And then slip them off the needle. Now we're gonna do yarn over by bringing the yarn to the front of work. So bring it between needles like that and leave it there. And now you're gonna go to the next 2 stitches and knit them together again. Put the needle through both of them, and then the yarn just go over the needle and wrap. See it? Go over the needle like that, wrap around it, and then bring that through both loops at once and slip it off. So we did yarn over and K2 together. Now we're gonna do yarn over again, and then knit 2 together. Repeat. So take your time. It might be a little bit difficult at first, but you will get it. Just remember to leave that yarn in the front. Don't take it back because it's gonna be a yarn over, so it needs to be in front. This is gonna make extra stitch and it's gonna look pretty wide. It look like a hole. You'll see. K2 together. Okay, we're just gonna knit last stitch. Yeah. And now on the wrong side, we normally do the purl unless specify. The pattern will tell us what to do. So right now we're gonna purl. Yarn in front of the needle and purl. Stick from the back to the front, wrap the yarn, bring it back, and repeat. We're gonna call the yarn over stitch the same as stitch. So we're just gonna go ahead and purl all the way. So we're gonna keep purling like that until the end of the row, treating the yarn over stitch the same as normal stitch. It looks strange, but it will be fine. This is how you make lace. You just do a bunch of yarn over. There. Now we can take a look, see how it look like. You see that? It's called eyelet. So each yarn over produce eyelet.